Hi, to enable and disable developer options on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, we need to find and open settings first. Here, you need to find this last tab About Phone, select it, and then scroll down and choose Software Information. Now you should see this type of information from which you need to choose Build Number and tap on it 7 times to enable developer options. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now developer mode has been turned on. To check this, we will need to simply go back, and now under About Phone tab, developer options should appear. And yep, here they are. Just tap it to select, and after that you can check information about your memory, you can enable to receive bug report, you can enable or disable some of the features such as auto update system when the phone restarts. Here you can find USB debugging, which is a really helpful feature. You can also find bug report shortcut and so on. So just check this tab. For example, we can enable to show refresh rate, and now we can see this number in the upper left corner. So you can adjust those settings as you want. And when you are done, you can disable developer options. Just tap on the switcher, use the back arrow, and now it's gone. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.